Welcome all of you, BSc second, semester 4, Inorganic Chemistry, topic chelation. Today we will discuss about classification of chelating agents. Now, classification of chelating agents. In this, chelating agents are classified according to H. Dehaene on the basis of the total number of donor atoms or groups of each chelating agent linked with the same metal atom or chelate as bidentate, tridentate, quadridentate, pentadentate, hexadentate, etc. Also, the nature of coordinating group is considered. By considering number of and nature of coordinating groups, representative classification of bidentate chelating agent is given below. Now, classification first. Subpoint A or subclass A, two acidic groups. In this classification, central metal atom is attached by two acidic groups. For example, oxalic acid. Now, in this structure of oxalic acid, there are two acidic groups, that is central calcium and this acidic group and this acidic group, and structure of chelating agent like this COH, and name of structure is bis oxalate calcinate 2. Second, phthalic acid. Here also centrally copper and this acidic group number 1 and number 2, name bis phthalato cuprate second ion, and structure of phthalic acid is like this, benzene ring and two acidic groups, that is COH and COH. Next example, malonic acid. Malonic acid centrally Hg and this coordinating group and this coordinating group, that is two acidic groups which are attached to Hg, and name of the structure is bis malanato mercurate 2 ion, and structure of chelating agent, that is malonic acid, is CH2 COH and COH, that is two acidic groups. Now B, subclass B, that is one acidic and one coordinating groups. Now here example of this subclass is number 1, glycine. Glycine also contains one acidic and one coordinating group, that is this one. In this structure of glycine, number of one acidic group, that is COH, and one coordinating group, that is NH2. So this is structure of centrally nickel NH2 COH, NH2 COH, and here two groups, that is one acidic and one coordinating group like this, and name of structure is bis glycinato nickel second ion. Second example of this subclass is 8-hydroxyquinoline, that is oxine, centrally Mg, that is magnesium. Here also one acidic and one coordinating group, and name of this structure is bis-oxynato magnesium 2 ion. Now C, that is two coordinating groups. आता या स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये सेंट्रल मेटल ॲटम जो आहे तो दोन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग ग्रुपना अटॅच आहे. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इथिलीन डायमाइन. इथिलीन डायमाइन structure that is centrally copper and diamine that is two amines that is NH2 and structure of chelate is name of that chelate is bis ethylene diamine copper second ion. Here centrally copper and ethylene diamine attached to central metal atom. Okay, bis means 2. Second, orthophenanthroline that is Fe, centrally Fe and structure like this, and name of this structure is tris orthophenanthroline ion, iron 3 ion. Okay. Next, classification 2, that is subclass A called symmetrical bidentate ligands. Here two donor atoms are same. These are indicated by AA, where A is donor atom. In the following examples, donor atoms are indicated in the bracket. आता या क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये सिमेट्रिकल बायडेंटेट याचाच अर्थ एकसारखे सिमेट्रिकल बायडेंटेट लिगँड्स याच्यामध्ये donor atoms, here donor atoms are two, that is same donor atoms and indicated by AA. For example, ethylene diamine En and NN, that is CH2, NH2, CH2, CH2 and NH2. Second example, butylene diamine BN, NN, like this, that is CHH, NH2 and CH3, that is this is also NH2 and this is CH3. Third example, 2,2-bipyridine by PY and NN, and fourth example is oxalate ion C2H42 minus, that is O minus, O minus, and structure like this. Next, the attachment of symmetrical didentate ligand to metal ion or ion, metal atom or ion in a metal chelate is indicated by curve, that is this curve, and where two A's, that is this A and this A, two A's are similar donor atoms and L is symmetrical bidentate ligand. आता याच्यामध्ये ही इंडिकेशन जे कर्वने दाखवलेला आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जो L जो आहे हा सिमेट्रिकल बायडेंटेट लिगँड आहे आणि हे दोन A जे आहेत त्यातील A म्हणजे सिमिलर डोनर ॲटम, म्हणजे एकसारखे जे काय आहे ते डोनर ॲटम्स आहेत. यामध्ये फॉर एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1 CuN twice 2 plus ion. Here like this, copper, centrally copper, ethylene diamine, and structure this total structure is also indicated like this, that is centrally copper N, and overall charge on this structure is 2 plus. Second example, Pt, Bn twice 2 plus iron, here platinum central metal atom, that is platinum, and structure like this, centrally Pt, and here Bn, and total charge on this structure is 2 plus, like this. Next, B, that is asymmetrical bidentate ligands. In this type, two donor atoms are different and are donated by AB. In the following examples, donor atoms are indicated in the bracket. For example, glycine, that is GLYNO, and structure like this. Second, 8-hydroxyquinoline NO minus, and structure is like this. And third, alpha nitroso beta naphthol ion, that is NO minus, and structure of alpha nitroso beta naphthol is like this. The attachment of an asymmetrical bidentate ligand to the central metal atom or ion is designated by curve like this, and A, B and L, where A and B are two different donor atoms and L is ligand. आता यामध्ये हा जो कर्व आहे हे रिप्रेझेंटेशन आपण कर्वने केलेला आहे, पण त्यामध्ये काय आहे, ए जो आहे हा आणि बी हे दोन्ही काय आहेत, डिफरंट डोनर ॲटम्स आहेत, आणि एल जो आहे तो एल लिगॅंड आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल CrGly3, that is chromium and glycine 3, structure like this. Chromium centrally chromium, and this one glycine, and or this structure is also represented like this, centrally chromium, this one glycine and glycine, and this total structure is cis isomer. Thank you.